How to fix Google Play Store loading issue on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem easy and quick on any Android phone. First, open settings and here scroll down until you find storage and then click clean up, and here you need to find junk files or cache. This one here, cached junk, you need to clean this one, so just click delete. And now all your applications cache will be deleted, and now just go back and try again and your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix it, go to settings and then apps, and now apps again, and here type Google, and here we'll find Google Play Store. Click on it and then go to storage, clear cache and force stop it. That's it. Now go back and try again and your problem will be fixed, and see you in the next video.